Welcome to Math Solve. In this video, we are going to solve trigonometric equations where we can see that the function is coming twice or different functions coming. So we might need to get the help of solving the quadratic equation. So here you can see that we have 2 sine x cos x equal to sine x. We have one problem, and both problem are x is limiting from 0 degree to 360 degree. So let's start solving the first one. What we can do, you can either solve this one. You might think, okay, what if you just divide by sine x in both sides, then we are getting only 2 cos x equal to 1. But you see the sine x is a function, so don't just divide like that. What you can do, you can just write down in terms of sine of 2 sine x, okay, 2 sine x cos x minus sine x equal to 0. So if we try to factorize it, you see that sine x 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So as I said, we are trying to factorize these two terms here, and then now you can see either sine x equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So it means cos x will be half. Alright, so minus 1 will be other side is a 1 and divide by 2, and then sine x equal to 0. So we have basically two equations now. I can see one is sine x equal to 0, one is cos x equal to half. And if you try to solve this one, so you know that sine x equal to 0, so where sine is 0? So sine is basically your y-axis. You know the sine is the coordinate of y, right? So sine x is 0 is at 0 degree, because we know sine 0 is 0. So if it is 0 here, it would be 0 here, right? So sine 0 degree is 0, or if I just go with the 180 degree plus, then it would be 180 sine 80 degrees also 180 degrees also 0, because sine is 1 in the y-axis. So now you can just say our x will be 0 degree, right? 180 degree, and because our limit is up to coming 360 degrees, so why not just going. So it's 180, then if you come up to here, it will be another 360 degree, because they are you can come up to 360 degree, as 360 is included, is 0 degree and including 360 degree. Okay, now if you go look for the second equation here, cos x is positive. Where cos is positive, we know that cos is positive in here in the first quadrant and the second quadrant, fourth quadrant, and half. So 4 3 2 1 0. So we know that is 60 degree is giving you half. So it means 60 degrees sitting there and 60 degrees sitting here, right? So if it is 60 degree, we can say our x will be 60 degree. That's the one, the positive. And then the here it would be 3 so this one is 60 degrees. So how about that one? We have to go always in the anti-clockwise direction. So it's a 360 minus 60, which is 300 degree. So basically we are getting 5 solutions. So x will be 0 degree, 180 degree, you can write down even in a order. So 0 degree, 60 degree, right? So if I just write down in a order, it's 60 degree, it could be 180 degree, then 300 degree, or 360 degree. Okay, look at the second example now. So we have a question here, 2 sine square x plus sine x equal to 1, and if you just move that one also in this side, 2 sine square x plus sine x minus 1 equals 0. Let's say, and it looks like a quadratic, but let's say sine x equal to u. Okay, then you can see it's obviously it's a quadratic equation, like 2u square plus u minus 1. And if you know how to solve the quadratic equation, you will obviously know that it would be u plus 1 and 2u minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the two factors. So if you do the quadratic factorizing, you will come up with u plus 1 times 2u minus 1. And then you can say, okay, our u will be minus 1 for the first one. U plus 1 equal to 0, it means u equal to minus 1, or 2u equal to 1, so it means u will be half, right? So these are, so what is u? You know that u equal to sine x, that's what we consider. So we know that sine x will be minus 1, or sine x will be half. So you see, again we can see the two equation, and then here if you say sine x equal to negative 1, where sine is negative, sine x is the coordinate of y, we know that. So where y is negative, so y is positive 1 here, but y is negative 1 here, so it is actually through 270 degree position, right? So it means x will be 270 degree, where if x equal to 270 degrees, or sine 270 degrees is negative 1, right? So where is y coordinate is negative 1. So if you do the next one, sine x equal to half, negative half, or oh, no, it's positive half. So where it will be the positive, sine is positive in the first quadrant and second quadrant, and it's a half, and we know that it's a 0 1 2, okay, so it's 30 degrees, so 30 degrees making half, right? So 30 degree, so here is 30 and here is also 30 degree, which is making half, right? Now if I ask you what is the solution, then if you go to anti-clockwise, obviously then this is 30 degree, and then if you come down to up to here, then it will be 150 degree, 150 degree. So in this case our x is coming, so I can just write down the x will be either 30 degree, 150 degree, or 270 degrees. So these are the three solutions for this 2 sine square x plus sine x equal to 1 equation. So if you solve this equation, there would be 3 value of x we are getting. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more up-to-date videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.